So the other ramification of Einstein's two postulates is what's called length contraction. Now, I'm not going to derive length contraction. Deriving the time dilation equation was long, and it's long. It takes a lot of time. And the length contraction equation is derived much in the same way. So what I've done is I've gone ahead and I just put it up there. Okay, so the top term we're talking about our time dilation. Remember the difference of the two colors. We're talking about, when we're talking about the white, we're talking about from the point of view inside the train, and then the orange is representing the point of view from outside of the train. So outside, some constants that turns out inside. Length contraction is very similar. This is from inside a craft that's moving, a train if you would like, and then this point of view is from outside the craft. So imagine that this is a reference frame of the person standing outside of a train. This is the train that's traveling very, very fast, and then the constants, the velocities, and the speed of light. But that's time length contraction. Same phenomenon. You're talking about having to deal with that concept that light is a constant term, that it's always 3 times 10 to the 8 regardless of your reference frame. So you need to take into account a few things. You need to take into account the fact that lengths can get compressed. From the point of view of the observer, that distance from here to Alpha Centauri is not 4.4 light years. It's less than 4.4 light years, depending on that person, depending on his flight. Okay, cool. So that's length contraction. Now, when we talk about muon radiation, we're talking about not necessarily time dilation, but more concerning ourselves with length contraction. Both phenomena are equally as valid, but muon radiation is typically related to the length contraction. As a muon is passing through the Earth's atmosphere, there's a much shorter distance that it'd have to travel through instead of the entire atmosphere. I should do that. Shorter distance, longer distance. So just another ramification of it. I will be talking about energy and momentum, but those are in those energy and momentum sections.